What's up, AP World people? We're back with video number 30. This one is on topic 5.4, continuing with the Industrial Revolution. So let's get going. So topic 5.4 focuses on the spread of industrialization throughout Europe and the world. During this time, European and American manufacturing will increase, whereas we'll see the Middle East and Asia will see a decline in world production of goods. So changes in manufacturing. Shipbuilding will increase in India in the 17th century. However, British tariffs will lead to a decline in Indian mining. And the Arms Act of 1878, passed by the British, restricted the production of weapons in India. So we see a decline in weapons production in India during this time. Textiles in India and Egypt. Increased textile production in India will hurt British textile mills. And increased textile production in Europe in the 19th century will hurt European textile imports. So we begin to see this shift from India and Egypt to Europe for textile production. Jumping over the spread of industrialization, after Britain, Belgium, France, and Germany begin to industrialize, and Russia and Japan will industrialize after. France saw a delay in industrialization due to the French Revolution and wars in Europe in the late 18th, early 19th centuries. And after unification in 1871, Germany will quickly become a major industrial power. Russia will build the Trans-Siberian Railroad, which will increase trade with Asia. And Japan will become industrialized after contact with the United States. We'll talk more about that in a few videos after Matthew Perry of the United States goes to Japan and opens up trade. After the Civil War, the U.S. will industrialize at a significant rate. So we're looking at the latter half of the 19th century. Immigrants will work in factories, and we'll see the completion of the Trans-Continental Railroad in 1869. All right, quick recap. Spread of industrialization, the impact of industrialization on the Middle East and Asia. And I look forward to seeing you back here for video number 31. Thanks for watching. Best of luck, and have a good day.